Snow Buddy. I'm Waddles the Penguin, the fluffiest, slipperiest, snuggliest bird on the ice. I live way down in the cold, in a place called Antarctica. It's snow, ice, and giggles as far as I can waddle. I don't fly like other birds, but I sure can slide. Whoosh! I belly sled down snowy hills like a little rocket. I waddle left, I waddle right. Waddle, waddle, slide. Can you waddle with me? Stand up and wobble side to side. I have a soft white belly, shiny black feathers, and tiny feet that go flip, flap, flop. And guess what keeps me warm? My super snuggly feather jacket. I love hanging out with my penguin pals. We huddle close when the wind gets cold. A penguin cuddle puddle. Sometimes I carry a smooth rock to my best friend. That's how we say, I like you. Cute, right? And when the sky turns pink and the stars peek out, I look up and whisper, good night, snowflakes. Good night, fishies. Good night, moon. So if you ever see a penguin in a dream, zooming on his belly with a happy laugh, that's probably me. Waddles the Penguin, sliding by to say hello. With chilly hugs and frosty giggles. Waddles. Bye.